Canadian cannabis company Canopy Growth investing $150 million in a New York hemp facility. This after President Trump allowed the growing of hemp with the Farm Bill. Bruce Linton is Canopy Growth's CEO, and he joins us now. Bruce, that you're growing hemp to produce CBD, which has medicinal qualities. You're not growing it for the THC to get you high. That's accurate, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's sort of the big difference between hemp and marijuana.
Yep.
Hemp, by definition, can have a very small percentage, 0.3% THC, and the rest of it's CBD. And people might think of CBD as something with the potential for minimizing neuropathic or neurological symptoms like shaking, things of that sort.
So you think that the medicinal properties of hemp will be in great demand. Are you going to grow the hemp in New York or just process it?
Yeah, so the growing part is other people's business. So they will grow it in New York, but they'll grow it in other states. Our intention is to process. And what we're doing is, rather than just building something for us, our plan is to have what we're calling an industrial park or industrial hemp hub. And so think of it as an industrial area with maybe a loop road and a variety of buildings around it. And at that location, when you take a hemp plant apart, you end up with fiber, you end up with a protein, you end up with CBD. So you end up with a bunch of options that could go from how do I make fabric, industrial products, how do I make food products that could be for domestic or export, how do I do pharmaceutical work, how do I make pet treats. So you can all of a sudden see this becoming really something that you want. 2 or 3 different states will want these, and we think New York was the best place to start.
But you're putting your money behind the idea that the medicinal properties of CBD, that's going to be the big growth market. That's why you're putting so much money into this.
Yeah, you know, I think medicinally we've been exploring it in Canada where federal regulations permit hemp and CBD and you know, CBD generally for the last 20-ish years, 18 years. And we've been doing clinical trial work developing them. So we think that there are potential medical remedies that, if done properly, can actually be intellectual property. And we hope to see someday cleared with the FDA as something which we can make claims. That is not the case yet today, but we have a beginning in other geographies, and we're conveying a lot of that advantage into New York State.
Real fast, I've got 10 seconds. When do you complete building the plant?
So we have a 90-day drill to finalize one of several sites. Some of them have facilities. The intention is to begin construction and conversion within 100 days, and so this is not a long time out. And we have the cash because Constellation funded us up with another $4 billion, so this is just a good use of proceeds.
Yeah, you're off and running. Bruce Linton,
Go man.
Canopy. Thanks for joining us, sir. Always appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.